Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are Group 5. Our project is to make a landscape plan surrounding book fair area and create some public places. This is the map of our study area. Here the Ramna Park, Sarwardi Uddan, Bangla Academy, Dhaka University. Here the book fair held. The part of our group have to done is to create effective circulation system, road network design and transportation system. This is the existing public places. This is the footpath which is blocked by shop, and the footpath is very activity-full so that people can't use the footpath for walking. To solve the problem, we make this red road as a main focus and modified the road pattern which can benefit both pedestrian and the activity around the shop. To make a good pedestrian circulation network and connect the public places, we proposed this yellow road in path. We planned the footpath of the blue road for make the pedestrian way more effective. This is the Rokti Moyen which connects TSC Raju Bhaskarya, Daks with Doel Chottor, Teen Netar Mazar and Hazrat Haji Khaja Shahbaz Jame Mosque. We used all the elements in Rokti Moyen, red and near. This square is planned by using same color elements. In this square, we facilitate sustainable sitting arrangement, shop, pedestrian-friendly walkway, litter bin, lamppost, bollard, drinking water supply, different types of plants, planters, and create public spaces. Plants in Rokti Moyen, we use trees, Krishnachura, bloom time summer, Shimul, bloom time is spring, Polash, bloom time winter is spring, Sharp in Rokti Moyen, Butul brush, bloom time spring summer, Kodai vegetarium, bloom time all the year round, Pinsetia, bloom time spring summer, Bagan Bilash, bloom time spring, Java, bloom time summer and autumn, Rangon, bloom time winter and all the time, Harbin Rokti Moyen, Creep Myrtle, bloom time rainy autumn, Rose, bloom time late rainy autumn, Feder Closa, bloom time winter and summer, Silonus bloomy, bloom time all the year round. So the square remained red color all the year round. This is Shubro Kanon which connects the National Idgah with Doel Chottor, Teen Netar Mazar and Hazrat Haji Khaja Shahbaz Jame Mosque. We used all the elements in Shubro Kanon, white and near white. This square is planned by using same color elements. In this square, we facilitate sustainable seating arrangement, shop, pedestrian-friendly walkway, litter bin, lamppost, bollard, drinking water supply, different types of plants, planters, and create public spaces. Nil coleus, bloom time all the year round. Purple poppy mallow, bloom time summer and rainy season. Siberian larkspur, bloom time summer and rainy. So the square remain all time violet. This is the Holud Raha which connects Shohid Minar with Doyal Chottor, Teen Netar Mazar and Hazrat Haji Khaja Shahbaz Jami Mosque. We used all the elements in Holud Raha, yellow and near yellow. This square is planned by using same color elements. In this square, we facilitate sustainable sitting arrangement, shop, pedestrian friendly walkway, litter bin, lamppost, bollard, drinking water supply, different types of plants, planters and create public spaces. Plants in Holud Raha. We use trees, Kodom, bloom time rainy seasons, Akashmani, bloom time all the year round, Shonalu, bloom time summer autumn, Golden rain tree, bloom time rainy season, Sharpin Holud Raha, Golden Medallion tree, bloom time rainy, Ribbon Dracenia, bloom time all the year round, Bagan Bilash, bloom time spring, Rangun, bloom time all the year round, Harpin Holud Raha, orchid, bloom time autumn and late autumn, Lantana, bloom time rainy late autumn, Marigold, bloom time summer, Alamanda yellow, bloom time late autumn and winter. So the square remains yellow all the year round. This is the Golab Sandha which connects BC Chottor with TSC, Raju Bhaskarya and ducks. We used all the elements in Golab Sandha, pink and near pink. Trees in Golab Sandha. Cannibal tree, bloom time all the year round. Apple blossom tree, bloom time spring summer. Pink weeping cherry tree, bloom time late autumn and spring. Sharpin Golab Sandha, Baunia purple, bloom time late autumn and spring. Joba, bloom time summer and autumn. Azalea pink, bloom time summer. Temple tree, bloom time summer and autumn. Harpin Golab Sandha, Alamanda hybrid purple, bloom time late autumn and winter. Pentrus lanceolata, bloom time all the year round. Orchid Cactalia, bloom time all the year round. Desert rose, bloom time winter and summer. So the square remain pink all the year round. We propose this road in park area. This road connects Shadinata Stambha to TSC. This road connects Shadinata Stambha to Bangla Academy. This road connects Shadinata Stambha to Doyal Chottor. This road is edge of the Sarwardi Uddan. This road is Sarwardi Uddan to Ramna Park. This road connects Ramna to Kakrail. This road connects Ramna to Hare Road. This is the road which connects Shadinata Stambha to TSC and Raju Bhaskarya. This road connects Shadinata Stambor to Bangla Academy. This road connects Shadinata Stambor to Doyal Chottor. Rest of the road will be shown in later. Plants used in park: palm tree, Chinese palm, coconut palm, cycas palm, erica palm, wine palm, mango tree. Herb and shrub remain same as before. In other roads, Bhashani Road, Shohid Minar Road, Fuller Road and Secretariat Road, which shown in the map, pedestrian way keep in the same places, but we landscaping by the side of the pedestrian way to make it more friendly. We have to create enough parking spaces, which is essential to make a successful book fair. This is the existing parking places. We create 2 parking places in this position. To get access to the parking places easily, we propose this road in the edge of Sarowardi Udyan. We give zebra crossing when necessary. To reduce the speed of the vehicles, we used speed reducing materials like PVC and speed breaker. We give an underpass in Bhashani Road, which road is very busy. We use escalator, attractive surface and aquarium to make it more pedestrian friendly. From our survey, we get most of the vehicles of the area travel towards Azimpur, Lalbagh, Polton, Motijhil, Gulistan and Old Dhak. Through vehicles which don't have any business in our study area are discouraged to use our study area to travel in other areas. This is our planned pedestrian way. Red circle places in this map act as a drop point. In the time of book fair, vehicles should drop passengers in the drop-off points so that there will be less traffic congestion. If a vehicle comes from Kazi Nazrul Islam Avenue and it wants to go Azimpur, New Market, Lalbagh area, it can use Elephant Road, or it may use Shahbag Road and the Katabon Road, then backside of Buet and Johorul Islam Sharoni Road. It can also use Nilkhet Road or Azimpur Road besides using our study area. If a vehicles come from Kazi Nazrul Islam Avenue and if wants to go in Polton, Gulistan, it may use Hare Road, then Kakrail Road and then College Road. Again, it can use Bashani Road, then College Road, except the using our study area. There is a mosque named Hazrat Haji Khaja Shahbaz Jame Mosque, which is built 1679. The mosque is not preserved well. We try to preserve it. With creating a road between the edge of Sohrawardi Udyan and the mosque, we connected this mosque with Sohrawardi Udyan. We use large tree in front of mosque so that the mosque can visible from a long range. We recommended Group 6 to design this area properly so that the mosque is visible from the roadside. If a person goes from Shohid Minar to Kakrail Mosque, how he feels?